Hey guys, I'm going to show you on how to transfer from a Web3 wallet to Binance. So first, open your Web3 wallet. So in this case, we're going to be using MetaMask as an example. But the process is similar for the other wallets like Trust Wallet or Phantom. So simply locate the send or transfer function within your wallet. So this is usually found on the main screen or within the Transactions tab. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now, all you need is the recipient's address. So this is your Coinbase Bitcoin receiving address, and you can find this within your Coinbase account. So all you need to do is simply locate the deposit or receiving section. Then search for Bitcoin and copy the address. So once you have it, then you have to paste it into the recipient's field. And you then have to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer and then review all transaction details, like the recipient's address, the amount, and any associated fees. And once you verified everything, you will then have to click confirm or send. So that's how to transfer from a Web3 wallet to Binance. Thanks for watching.